Today I will talk about the distributive law of multiplication over addition, and also I will talk about the distributive law of division over addition. Well, let's start. Right in the beginning, I would say that multiplication is distributive over addition. Okay, means that if in the parenthesis I have written b plus c and a is present on the and a is multiplied by this b plus c, then this will be equal to a multiplied by b, this plus sign, and then this a is multiplied by c. So a is distributive over addition. See, a is multiplied by b, then a is multiplied by c. So as if the plus sign remains in between, then an a goes with b and then a goes with c. So that is why it is known as distributive, as if you have distributed a over b and c. Let's have an example. It says that solve 3 into the sum of 2 and 4 without using distributive law and with distributive law. Okay, solution. Normally when we solve an expression, we solve the expression which is inside the parenthesis. So inside the parenthesis we have 2 plus 4, which is 6, and then 3 times 6 is 18. So here we see that we have solved this expression without using the distributive law. Now with distributive law, okay, now 3 times 2 plus 3 times 4. Why? Because you see 3 times 2 plus 3 times 4 is equal to 6 plus 12, which is equal to 18. 18 is equal to 18. This means that this calculation and this calculation are equal. So 3 into 2 plus 4 equals 3 into 2 plus 3 into 4. But remember that division is not distributive over addition. Example, 12 divided by 2 plus 4. In the previous example we had these parentheses and we had the multiplication sign over here, but now I have a division sign over here. Now 12 divided by 2 plus 4, let's see what happens. When we solve it, normally we solve the expression which is inside the parenthesis. So 12 would be this expression would be equal to 12 divided by 6, and which is equal to 2. Okay, but 12 divided by 2 plus 12 divided by 4 is equal to 6 plus 3, which is equal to 9. 2 and 9 are not equal. From here we can deduce that 12 divided by the sum of 2 and 4 is not equal to the sum of 12 divided by 2 and 12 divided by 4. Therefore, in general, we write a divided by b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c. What does it mean? It means a, when we are dividing by b plus c, then this a divide does not get distributed over the sum of the numbers. Okay, so far we have seen that a multiplied by b plus c equal to a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c, and a divided by b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c. Now here with these two expressions you can see clearly that multiplication is distributive over addition and division is not distributive over addition. So in the words I am going to write it over here for you. That is, multiplication is distributive over addition from the left, but division is not distributive over addition from the left. Now you can notice that I have written left in italics because left, this is very important. Why? you can see that A is written on the left. I mean, the thing that is being multiplied is written on the left, and the thing that is being divided is written on the left. So that is why it is important to mention whether it is on the left or on the right. Now what happens if this multiplication sign is on the right hand side of this parenthesis? I mean, is on the right side of parenthesis. Or what happens when this division sign is on the right side of this parenthesis? Okay, so let's see whether or not multiplication is distributive over addition from the right. Example, 4 plus 9 into 3. As usual, the expression inside the parenthesis is solved first. So it would become 13 into 3, which is equal to 39. Let's see what happens if I do a calculation like this. 4 multiplied by 3 plus why? Because this 4 multiplied by 3 plus sign this one, 9 multiplied by 3 will be equal to 12 plus 27 is equal to 39. These two numbers are equal. So these two expressions are also equal. That is 4 plus 9 into 3 equals 4 into 3 plus 9 into 3. In general, multiplication is distributive over addition from the right. That is A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. You see that C is the number being multiplied is placed on the right hand side. So multiplication is distributive over addition from the right. Let us find whether or not division is distributive over addition from the right. Now we are talking about division. Okay, example, 12 plus 9 divided by 3 is equal to 21 divided by 3, because we have to solve the expression which is inside the parenthesis. So 12 plus 9 is 21. So 21 divided by 3 equals 7. And 12 divided by 3 plus 9 divided by 3. Why am I doing this? Because you can see that 12 plus 9 divided by 3. So 12 divided by 3 plus 9 divided by 3. Okay, this is equal to 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7. These numbers are once again equal. So these two expressions are equal. That is 12 plus 9 divided by 3 equals 12 divided by 3 plus 9 divided by 3. That is, in general, division is distributive over addition from the right. You can see that we have this parenthesis and the division sign is on the right side of the parenthesis, and it gets distributed. That is, it goes with A plus then it goes with B. You can see that A divided by C plus B divided by C. Summary: multiplication is distributive over addition from the left. In mathematically speaking, we write it like this, that A into B plus C is equals to AB plus AC. Multiplication is distributive over addition from the right. That is, if A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. Division is distributive over addition from the right. That is, A plus B divided by C equal to A divided by C plus B divided by C. Or A plus B divided by C is equal to A divided by C plus B divided by C. In fact, if we write it in this manner, in the form of fraction or in the form of the division notation, one at the same thing, because these two are equal. And lastly, division is not distributive over addition from the left. It means that A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Or in the division notation, A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. So the thing to remember is that whenever we have division, it is not distributive from the left. That's it. Division is not distributive over addition from the left. Just remember this thing. Division is not distributive over addition from the left. Okay, that's it. If you remember this thing, everything would be okay, because multiplication is distributive over addition from the left, multiplication is distributive over addition from the right, division is distributive over addition from the right. That's it. So there are 4 possible cases, and only we have got one case in which the distributive law does not hold, and that is division is not distributive over addition from the left. I hope that I have made my point clear, and if you have any questions, I would be glad to answer them in my next conversation. So I wish you a nice time. Okay, take care. Bye.